Hi everyone. So in our last video, I have shown you how to create a footing family and how to create the types of families. If you can see over in this screen, I have already put it some footings in grids and I have added a tag. So as per past videos queries, I will show you how to add tags to the fittings. So if you can see over here, if I keep a cursor over here, it says structural foundation tags. So let's create a fresh tag. Right now I'll just delete this tag, filter it out. It just needs to select window selection, filter out, remove the tags and just delete the footing. Uh, I'll take it new family, make keep it like metric one, annotations. Let's find out related to structural foundation tag. So here it's not a tag as such. Okay, so let's take a generic tag and we will change the category of that. Here it's by default node. Use properties, family categories, and parameters set the text category. Insertion point is at intersection of reference planes. Just delete the nodes. So here we have selected as a. If you see over here, it is it is saying family category and parameters. When I select the template, it was a generic model tag, but I am looking for a structural foundation tag. So I can change from here. Just go down and find out the structural foundation tag. Yeah. So let's select this. Go to create. For the parametric one, we have to add a label, and for just information, we can add a text. So let's add a text label over here, and now we can either select as a mark and we can either select as a type name. I'll show you what it is different. So right now I'll select a type name, okay, and mark sample value as a F1. Create like this. Now you can change the thickness, sorry, the height of the text, maybe 2.5 mm. If you want to keep it opaque or transparent, I'll keep it transparent. We'll change the height. Font will be Arial. Whether you want bold, italic, underline, you can select it. Okay, color, I'll keep it black. Line weight. How to set a line weight, I'll show you in my next video. Text width factor will be 1 and you can just apply OK and keep it at a center. We'll just make this. So here you can make it like alignment, center and vertical. I'll just save this file as a default structural. Keep the backups as a 1. Save the file. And I'll just load it in my structural project. Remove the leader. You can add a leader. I'll show you how to modify those leader. Right now I'll keep it like that. And if you can see, as I kept this type name, it is automatically selecting the tags. So what is the type name? If you can see over here, this is my type name. So whatever type already modeled, it will take as a tag. And if I select the mark, we need to fill this as a mark like F1, and from this tag you need to change type name, remove the type name and add mark over here. Let's see how it looks. I'll just go to structural project again and select this. You can see question mark because I haven't added any mark over here. If I add F1, that's F3, that's F1, and that's F2. So while adding a mark, it gives us uh, warnings that we have added same tag for two different families. So this is really the mark. When we use mark, it is a very good method when we didn't want to give same tags to two different elements either, but since it is a footing and we will use similar kind of footing in our entire project, we can go with the type name and have uh, individual tag. I'll just remove that mark over here and keep it as a type name. Remember how we use uh, mark and type name. Type name is type property and mark is instance property. So if you are using mark, make sure that we should not duplicate that tag multiple times. Thank you for watching this.